Hi all, welcome to Terracotta Planet. Let's see how to design this terracotta pendant. To begin with, make a clay slab and cut out a circle base for pendant. You can use a cookie cutter to do this. Make sure that the thickness of the base is same everywhere. Next, to smoothen the surface of the pendant, I'm sliding the fettling knife across the base. You can also use your fingers or card to smoothen it. Once smoothened, we can start to divide the layers for designing. I'm using different size tools to mark the division. I'm using a small lid to make the outermost layer. You can also use a cookie cutter in place of the lid. Make sure that you are not putting so much of pressure or else the clay will cut out. For the next layer, I'm using an old lipstick lid. You can also replace this with a cutter. For the last and the innermost layer, I'm using a pen cap to make the impression. Once the layering is done, we can start adding details. For the outermost layer, I'm using the tip of the fettling knife to make the simple lines. You can also use any other sharp object in place of the fettling knife, but the key here is to maintain the uniform interval between the lines. For the detailing in the second layer, I'm going to make a petal details, for which I'm using a curve tool. Start to make the curve impression using the tool along one side and then close it with the other curve from the other side. So now it looks like a petal. To add further details, I'm using the nip of the ballpoint pen to add small round details all throughout the edge of the layer. For the next layer, I'm using a V-shaped tool to add detailings. The designing part is almost over, so now we can start to add beads. I'm using stick beads for this design. I have already made the stick beads prior, so it will save time when you are designing the pendant. Starting to insert the stick bead into the clay. Arranging beads is up to your design. I'm going to completely arrange the beads all throughout the pendant. You can stop it half the way or you can arrange it as per your design requirement. You can just stop at this moment, but I'm going to add beads throughout. I'm going to attach two eye pins in the pendant so that later it can be used to attach the pendant with cord or wire during assembling. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any video request. So now the beads are attached completely all throughout the edge of the pendant. Hope the video was useful. Please do like, share and subscribe.